Order submitted. Order cancelled.
Sorry, I've just been chatting for ages. My apologies. Sorry, I was just saying I took a trade on this chart here, just on one of my take profit trader accounts. That short there looked like a channel down, 2 pushes up. It's quite different than this. They're both 2000 tick charts, but this one is quite different. This looks like a channel up, and that kind of very much resembles a bear flag, but it's hard to say. It looked like it was slowly creeping up. My gut feeling it was going to drop down, and then when I saw this, I took a short there just on one of the accounts, and it worked. I suppose a lot of trading is gut feeling down to experience, isn't it? So at least you can hear me now. So there may be a channel up there where we've had a bit of a break. I'm not so sure, because that looks like 2 legs down. That looks like a bit of an odd break to push up. It's hard to say. Let's have a look at Dan's chart. Have we got anything from him yet? I don't think we have we? Yeah, we have. Okay, yeah, he's done the same as me. I don't like the bigger chart. I prefer that, and we've had a couple of legs back. This looked like it was going up, but there's always a possibility, just a quick glance, that there is something like that. I don't know why that's got no colour to it. It's supposed to be yellow to that. Why isn't it? Oh, that's better. Let me just save that as a default. Okay. So possibly a little bit sideways. It's hard to say really at the moment. So Dan, okay, has got something larger there down. He's got that. It's hard to say really, because it looks like 2 legs down and a. But if it is a channel, it's played out. You've just got to be a bit careful here, because we've had a channel up with the break and a new high, and we're back to that EMA. Is it going to hold and push up? Who knows? What am I on here? 001. Is it 001 or 100? Damn it. Oh, there's a trade on the other one. What is it? It's 100. 100.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Trade. On my second chart here, we've broke above all this liquidity, and this to me, there's a lower high, looks like it's pushing down. This is just on my second chart. We've got a channel there with a break and new high. We've broken above here and pushed down strongly, so my guess is this is probably going to go down. I can only take it. Now, how far is it going to go down? Do I trust my gut? We've got a lower high there. It looks like there's a channel down here. I'm only taking it on one of my accounts. We've got a leg down and what looks to be a leg down. So do I follow this down or do I get out at 3 points? There is a lower bearish bar, a strong push below the EMA, a lower high. So let's put that there like that. There looks like a channel there, so I think there's a good chance this is going to push down. I'm going to leave that there. 2 legs down. It's hard to say, really. There's a possible failure there. Okay. I don't like the way this is pushing back up. It's going up like a possible second leg.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
That was quick. Shot straight up and at that. Strange that was. Yeah, they are both. I actually like that. We'd had this 2 legs down. We pushed above all this and then pushed down strongly. So my gut feeling that was going to go down. Okay, I can only trade one account at a time. See, it worked for a... I don't know, it worked for a bit. Trouble is, it is a little bit... It's a shame. I actually like that. I like the way we pushed up, cleared all this liquidity out, and then pushed down strong. So my gut feeling is it was going to test these lows. And we had a really nice looking lower high there. And I thought that was going to work down to the lows. But it just... It's weird how it kind of finds these areas, isn't it? And overlaps. That's the trouble with this strategy. Sometimes it does overlap itself. So, can I trade on that account again? I can't. So let me just make sure this is closed. Disconnect and connect. That's a bit frustrating. I actually like that. Not only that, we kind of had 1, 2, 3, a nice triple test as well. But it got so far down and whipped up quickly. Just goes to show this market's got a habit of overlapping itself. It's, but there you go. What can you do? So I'm going to have to move on to a different account. So hold on a minute. Tradeify isn't linked. I have to move on to a different account. Let's go with 808. You know, I very nearly went to break even then, but the trouble is it's just one of those things. If you get a break even, it may shoot down. If you don't get a break even, it may shoot up. So leg and a leg. Let's see if we can get something short up here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
That's a bigger risk than I want there.
Target filled.
Order filled.
I made a bit of a mistake there. Look, that was a lower high. Probably going to work. Okay. Start that one again, I think. I can't remember whether I've reloaded my data. Let's just double check it. So we got a channel down sideways. My guess is it's probably going to do the opposite and drop out the bottom. I'm guessing we're going to do something like that. We'll see. May not. Trouble is, we had two legs down. We made two attempts to push higher. My gut feeling is this is probably going to come down. So even though there may be a second entry long there, it's not something I really want to get into, I don't think. Often when we push down into a range, we push out the bottom as well. No setup anyway, so. Yeah, that trade I took, to be honest with you, it's too much into the middle. I shouldn't have taken it. I thought it was okay. We had sort of two legs down. We had a channel up there. We had a bearish bar, which pushed above all this liquidity. My gut feeling then it was going to come down to the bottom. When it came down, we had a beautiful lower high there. And it went down for a bit and turned back. I thought that was going to test the bottoms. It's a shame, really, isn't it? But how far did it go down? You'd struggle to get a point off that depending on where you go, but I thought it was okay, but I suppose I'm going short right in the middle, so that's probably why that was a little bit risky. Okay, see if we can test the underside of this. See if we can reject off this area. We've pushed below all this. See if we can reject. Let me just get an order ready.
Order submitted.
So we've had 2 legs down, 2 attempts to push higher. So this looks like it's coming down for this second leg. Now, there's always a possibility this could be pushing back in there, but it's hard to say.
Order cancelled.
I'm guessing this isn't going to go very far. There actually is a second entry short there, possible failure. But I don't know how much higher this is going to go, so I'm not really interested, to be fair. But there is a lower high, but you don't know whether you're going to get a second entry long off the bottom here. So same again, there's not a huge amount I can really do here. made a new high for this channel, so there we have. Let's change this with 88, pick one of the newer accounts. It's tempting.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
So we've got a channel break, new high, instant drop. Close below this as well. Channel down with a break. We haven't had a new low from this channel yet, so I'm expecting a new low. So fingers crossed. That's frustrating. It comes down 3/4 of the way and starts to pull back. May come back and test this. I've just got to leave it to
Stop
be.
filled.
Oh,
Stop filled.
yeah, it did exactly the same as last time. Crikey, crikey. That's exactly the same as it did last time. It went down nearly to my target and shot back. Oh, God, that's so frustrating. It starts to feel like it's getting personal. God, that's so frustrating. I thought that was going to work. A channel break, new high, close below here, and it just launched up. What am I doing? Let me just take a photo of that. That's so frustrating. It's frustrating. Perhaps it's just testing. Well, the trouble is, you say it's 3 testing the bottom. We didn't at the time. We're scalping a point from now. How much did it go? Went down for say you'd have got 2 points out of it. It's just frustrating. Exactly the same thing happened. Yeah, I just don't know what's going on with this market. It almost seems to know where the setups are and it launches. Trouble is, it's $255 loss. It wasn't that much risk, I don't think. I liked it. We got a channel. We had a break new high and instantly sold off, pushed strong below that EMA. What can you do? It just frustrates me. We work for 8 ticks. Yeah, trouble is, you know, like Jay said, he's just going for a point. The trouble is, if I take 3 points, it's the equivalent of 3 winners. So I don't know. Trouble is that pushed straight below there. As soon as it ticked above there, it immediately sold off. You expect that to break these lows, and it was a few ticks away, look, and all of a sudden, it just launched up. And you got stopped out as well. Yeah, it's frustrating. This market just seems to be getting harder. I don't know whether it's me or what, but it seems to be getting harder. I'd say majority of the time you'd want to wait for the bar to close if it's engulfing when the PA is going sideways. Well, it did close, didn't it? I don't know. Tough one. See, Dan's got his chart up here. That kind of just looks a bit odd. I can't seem to get it to work at the moment. Good morning to you, bud. How you doing? Just can't seem to get it to work at the moment. I can't. It worked nice. We had a touch there, touch there, touch there, touch there. Went sideways and up. We had a little short-term trend with a break and a new high and instantly sold off. You expect that to come down and break the lows, or maybe to continue down for the second leg. Who knows? Okay, I think I'm done for today, folks. I'm a bit frustrated, and it's probably not the best way to trade when you're frustrated, so I'm going to leave it there. Actually, let me just check my account to close before I shut down. Yeah, there you go. There you go. I'm going to leave you guys to it anyway. I'm going to go and chill out for the day. So I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Have a great day. Stay safe, and we'll talk tomorrow. Bye for now.